Hey, it's Mike Hambright from FlipNerd.com, and we have a quick VIP tip to share with you, actually 3 tips, from Tom Wheelwright, who is one of Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad advisors, a wealth of information on tax. He's going to share 3 tips on how to reduce your 2014 taxes that you can actually do in 2015.
Thanks, Mike. So here you go. Number 1, look seriously at doing a cost segregation. This is hiring a professional to analyze all of the properties that you own for investment purposes and determine how much of the cost of that property really should have been allocated to land, building, land improvements, and the contents of the building. What this will do is it will vastly accelerate your depreciation, and it's something you can do in 2015, even if you bought your property 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago. So that would be tip number 1. Tip number 2 would be look seriously with your tax advisor about the new IRS repair regulations. These are new regulations in 2014 that you can do on your tax return and actually look at it in 2015, file a Form 3115, which is a change in accounting method, and you can catch up a lot of expenses that you might have capitalized and been depreciating when you should have actually expensed them and taken the expense right then. You can catch up in 2014 on your tax return when it's prepared in 2015. The third one is a lot of real estate investors get hung up because of the passive loss rules. The number one thing to understand on passive loss rules is if you can meet the real estate professional test, that is a get out of jail free card. The only way to do that realistically is you must make an election on your tax return. That's the tax return that's being prepared in 2015 for 2014. The election is called a Section 469C7 election. Section 469C7, you must make it with your original return, and so your tax preparer has to know that that's what you want to do. So sit down with your tax preparer, go through these 3 items. You can save taxes on 2014 while your 2015 taxes are being prepared.
Thanks for joining us for another FlipNerd.com expert tip. To access hundreds of tips and full expert interviews, please visit FlipNerd.com or join us in the iTunes Store. We'd like to thank our sponsors, RealtyMogul.com and National Real Estate Insurance Group. To access the most robust social platform in existence for real estate investors, where you can find off-market wholesale deals, find great vendors to help you in your business, and learn and socialize with other real estate investors, please visit the all-new FlipNerd.com. If you're not yet a member, you can set up a free account in less than a minute. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky.